What do elections, police shootings, hidden guns, and even the Queen have in common? Jamaica in 2025, Jamaicans went to the polls this September. The Jamaica Labour Party, led by Andrew Holness, secured a third term. They held on to power, but not without losing seats to the People's National Party. At the same time, questions about public safety are rising. Indicom reports a sharp increase in fatal shootings linked to police operations, many without body cams or outside witnesses. That scrutiny only deepened when authorities uncovered one of the largest gun seizures in the island's history. 233 illegal rifles and handguns, plus over 40,000 rounds of ammunition hidden inside an industrial water heater in Kingston. Beyond crime and politics, Jamaica is debating its very identity. Both major parties now support cutting ties with the British Crown. The Republic of Jamaica bill has already been introduced, but a referendum will decide the final word. And on the streets, frustration is boiling over. Unpaid construction workers walked off the job. Families face housing insecurity, hospitals are cancelling surgeries. All of it underscoring the economic squeeze many Jamaicans feel every day. This is the story of a nation at a crossroads struggling with crime, governance, and the push for change. Follow for more Caribbean stories that matter.